Ladies and gentlemen, from the yellow corner, weighing 100 pounds, the Keto guy!
Woo!
And from the black corner, weighing 100 pounds again, but he's heavyweight champ, the black guy!
Woo! Woo!
Game, round 1. Hi! This is the Pure Entertainment Showcase. Look at that! This is entertainment. Jackass Antipolo. Bubutapo Entertainment.
Kasi wala pa si Jerome.
Wala pa si Jerome kasi ngayon.
Anong kaguluhan ng meron dito, ha? Hindi nagbasa dyan.
Maglinis ka! Maglinis ka! Mag-map ka! Mag-map ka! Mag-map ka! Linisin ang bahay! Linisin ang bahay!
Ayaw po niya idikit. Hindi ko po kasalanan.
Ang taka mo kasi!
Uy, map na, map na.
That is super entertainment!
Pati yung sa counter.
O, pagkita ka.
Kaya i-upload natin
sa counter. Map nyo.
Wala nasa counter.
Sige na, ayan.
Maglinis ka, maglinis ka. Maglinis ka ng bahay. Yan, yan.
Tapos yung...
Entertainment again. This portion is brought to you by Not So Special Entertainment.
Fuck you, Patrick.
Yeah.
Okay na, announce na. Thanks,